What is up, you guys? It's your girl Amanda. I go by Mandarin here on my social channels, and welcome back to my channel if you are a subscriber. If you are new, I like to do beauty and fashion videos, so if there's something that you are interested in, make sure to go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so that you know when I upload. As you might see, I am actually sporting a ponytail today. I'm usually not much of a ponytail girl. I feel like it makes my face look completely different because all my hair is out of my face. But today I'm going to actually be showing you some little ponytail extensions that Instagram made me buy. I've seen these all over. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a licensed cosmetologist and I look at hair everything on Instagram, so I keep getting these recommendations to buy hair products, and I'm a sucker. So I'm going to show you two different brands of ponytail extensions, just in case you guys are like me and you're kind of scrolling and you just like come across something and you just want to buy it, and you want to know it's good or not. So I have two different brands. One is actually by Amazing Beauty Hair. They're on Instagram and on Amazon, and they have really good reviews. They're a human hair extension brand. And then there's one by Insert Name Here. I keep seeing a bunch of posts sponsored by them on Instagram, and I got one of theirs, and it is a heat-resistant synthetic ponytail. So we're kind of gonna live our little Ariana Grande best life moment, and I'm going to install both of them so you can kind of see two different brands, both synthetic and human hair. And hopefully it can kind of help you guys if you guys are in the market for some little pony extensions. Really quick and easy way to completely change up your look. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first brand I want to show you guys is by the brand Insert Name Here. I think it's kind of like a very generic username, like they just can think of something more hair related. I don't know, but it's really cute. They made, you know, INH, they made a cute like name out of it, and they had this like nice little packaging. And actually what's really nice about their company is they actually give you a little color match part at the top. So at the top here you get a little piece of hair, and there's no clips or anything on it, but it's almost like when you buy human hair extensions and they let you try the color, match it, and look at how it matches, and then if you open the full thing, the warranty is void. I already looked at it, the warranty is already void, and the color was close enough. This is the Brit Ponytail in the color Honey, and I think it's going to be close enough. I mean, I think my front pieces are a tiny bit lighter, but I have a lot of different colors in my hair, so I think that this is going to be super cute to go with all the different kind of colors of browns, blondes, all in my hair. So I think this should be more than close enough. So that's kind of nice that they kind of have the little opening there, and it does say, everyone wants a pony. So it's cute, and yeah, if you just want to live your Ariana Grande moment, this is a very long one. Let me show you. If you open me, I'm yours forever, right there. And obviously I opened her. And it's cute. It comes with like a little like fake receipt in there. I don't know. Just the packaging is super duper cute. And you can save 10% on your next purchase with the code MOREPLEASE. So there you guys go. If you guys like the way this looks on me, maybe you can get some. I have not put this one in my hair yet, but it does come with a really cute little pink scrunchie, which I am crazy about scrunchies, and it's one of those like really nice like satiny ones. So I really love like satin. I've been using a satin pillowcase lately to kind of keep my hair and skin nice. And then another thing is that it does come with a little cinched holder bag, which is really nice, and it does say Insert Name Here. It's quite thick and nice to just hold your extensions in. I have so much hair that I've collected, hair extensions, wigs, whatever, so it's nice to have something to hold them in. And then here is the ponytail. So here's a ponytail. It is kind of wrapped in this little netting. Let's get this baby out. And I noticed when I looked at this first time, so this is the Brit Ponytail, and it is so long, but that's what kind of makes it fun because my ponytail is so short naturally. And then it does come with like two little bobby pins too, so they kind of give you everything that you need to install it, which is really nice. So basically, let me show ya. So I'm basically just gonna insert this into my hair. Insert name here, insert hair here, I don't know. So you can see the ponytail, you open it up as a little mesh netting inside. I'm gonna brush it a little bit. Because this one is synthetic, it's probably going to be easier to get knotted. But it has a nice little wave at the end, like not really a true curl, but just kind of a little bounciness. It kind of looks like a nice blowout kind of moment. And then you take the comb. So you find your ponytail, you take the comb, and you put it before the elastic, or whatever you like to call that, part of a ponytail. You put the little comb in there, and then this here is Velcro. So you're gonna take the Velcro and try to make it as tight as you can, I think, for holding all day. And you just twist it around, Velcro it to itself, and then you'll notice there's this long piece of hair that's next to the Velcro. And this is for wrapping the hair around to hide both the Velcro and your ponytail. What is that called? To kind of hide the hairband in there. So then you take the provided bobby pin, just in case you didn't have any bobby pins, and the very end of the part around the Velcro is about right here, and I'm just going to bobby pin that so that is nice and tight around there. You can put 2 of them if you're going out and you want it super secure. Let me take a look. I mean, it's not perfectly on there. And then I think because I didn't straighten my hair, if my natural hair was straightened, it would be a lot more seamless, but it's really not bad because there's a lot of hair here. Wow. And actually the color matches a lot better than I expected. Little life hack, if you have root like me, it's better to go lighter. That way it kind of just looks like these are your like highlights or balayaged pieces. But I don't know the length on this, but it feels like 22, 24 inches. This is really, really long. And it's shiny, but it's not like so shiny and fake looking. I think you could put a little baby powder or dry shampoo to sort of get rid of some of that shine. Just so you guys can see how long it is and what it looks like. Wow. I feel like I am Ariana Grande, little Princess Jasmine vibes. I actually really like it. Like, it's super extra, and like, don't get me wrong, like, there's a lot of hair here. Like, to me, it does have like a little bit of like a fake factor, but like, if I'm wearing this, it's because I'm going for the fake look. So I really don't think this is gonna fool too many people, but I think it would like make a really cute like photo op with it, a really cute accessory. And I also think it'd be cute for like going out with the girls if you want to be a little extra. And obviously if someone asked me if this ponytail's fake, like, girl, the audacity to even ask. Like, I don't know anybody that's hair just does this long. I don't know. I would have had to grow my hair for basically my entire life. Like, if this was my natural hair in a ponytail, like, it would probably be like to my knees without it up. So yeah, it's really cute. I really think this is like the Ariana Grande vibe though, and I love it. I think it's super fun. I want to stick a little bit of dry shampoo. This is the Amica Perk Up Dry Shampoo. By the way, this smells amazing. It's one of my favorites. Just makes your hair smell like perfume. I'm gonna try to get rid of a little bit of the shine. But like I said, I mean, this is definitely clockable as fake hair in my opinion. But I think it's really gorgeous either way, and I really don't care. I think it's gorgeous. And I just love like fun fake things. I don't know. I'm the only person, like, I love fake stuff. Speaking of that, I did get my lips touched up. So if you guys can tell, just like upkeep, not really anymore. So I probably have a syringe altogether, but that's totally random. Anyways, so this is the insert name here. pony in Brit. So do you guys like it? Let me know, but we ain't done yet. We got one more ponytail and we're gonna try out the human hair one and see which one I like better. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off. And by the way, like, you can put your hair in like a low pony or a high pony. I personally kind of like the high pony with the ponytail extensions because they're just so long. Like, trying to get them up higher, just feel like is better. And I will say, like, honestly, this is a little bit heavy on my head. Like, it's definitely like wearable. Like, I wouldn't feel like I'm dying in the insert name here hair, but it is a little bit heavy because it's a lot of hair. Like, I don't know, it's pretty thick, so which is nice for covering your own hair, but a little bit heavy. All right, let's move on to the second brand. This is by Amazing Beauty Hair, and invest in your hair. It is the crown you never take off. Okay, by somebody. Anyways, so this is a human hair extension, and I will say I've actually worn this to work, and I will show you what is included with theirs. So the hair, and I think it was in netting. I put it into their little silk pouch. It's a little bit smaller, kind of royal looking, kind of looks like you just graduated high school or college, a little tassel moment. And then you do have some hair bands, and I have some blonde bobby pins, which is kind of nice because if the hair is light, it makes sense that your hair is probably blonde and you need blonde bobby pins. So that's kind of a cute little thoughtful touch. And theirs also comes with, there's hair on it. Theirs also comes with a little back comb. So this is kind of nice. If you need to brush your hair or, you know, back comb, whatever. I did not need it today, but just in case you do. And then they also do have like a little info about their human hair extension. You know, obviously, you know, can you wash it? Can you do whatever? It's human hair, so the answer should be yes. And then let me show you the ponytail. So like I said, I did actually wear this one out, and this one's on the straighter side as well. Got a little wave to it, but this is the ponytail by Amazing Beauty Hair, and it is human hair. As you can see, there's a lot less hair in this ponytail. The structure is the same as the other one, kind of a Velcro moment that has the same kind of almost like wig cap look on the inside. And let me look up really quick the color of this one, because you can see like both of these I can wear, but they're both pretty different. So this is the color in Honey by insert name here. And you can see, like, they both are a lot of hair. Actually, like definitely the insert name here one is longer, but the Amazing Beauty Hair is, I believe it's an 18-inch. So this one is probably 22, 24. The 18-inch is a little bit more of a believable length. It has highlights through it, so it's not just one bold color, which kind of makes it a little bit more realistic. I have a lot of different colors going through my hair, so I had to take my best guess. But what's nice is Amazing Beauty Hair does have a little bit more hair options, and the hair feels very silky. I have not washed this yet, so I know a lot of extensions go to shit after you wash them, so that is a warning. But it feels really silky, and it has a little wave because of the way I put it in there, but it came straight and really pretty. And I will make sure that I have left the shade on the screen for this one. But it's just a really pretty, like, highlight, low light, like a little bit of like a light brown mixed with like platinum. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this one. Same thing, put the comb before your little hairband, and then you have the piece that you wrap around. So you're gonna take it, make it as tight as possible, Velcro it to itself. Okay, success. So I've wrapped the ponytail around and did a little bit of the Velcro. And here you can see, and I did wear this to work. I work in a salon, and I had my hair straightened under it, so it was a little bit easier to blend. I would recommend, you know, having your hair straightened or like a little bit straight. it's a little bit harder to hide, but it's really not bad. My hair's just naturally a little bit wavy. It has a little body today. But it's really not that hard to blend, and you can see this looks way more natural, the 18-inch, just where it falls. Like, this is just better if you want a more realistic look where you don't want people to know you're wearing fake hair. I was actually cutting a client's hair and she was talking about like, yeah, like, you know how it is having really long hair, and I'm like, yeah, not really. My hair is actually kind of on the short side, like right here, and having a hard time growing it past there. But this is a really nice like moment, especially if you wear extensions like clip-ins or something and you want to wear your hair up and you want it to be more comfortable. This is a great way, and I wore it to work. It doesn't look too shiny, it just looks silky and like super healthy. And this is more of like an everyday look to me, and at least to me, the insert name here one is great for like a little photo op, a little Instagram moment, you know, like kind of like doing the most, maybe a Halloween costume. Like, you can definitely wear this out. I just feel like you're not gonna be fooling anybody. You have to have the confidence to be like, I don't care, like whatever, like my hair's to the floor, whatever. But that is kind of just the vibes I'm getting from the insert name here one. It's still really pretty. I still really like it and enjoy it, and I'm glad I have it. I'm sure I'll get use out of it. But the Amazing Beauty hair one, I mean, just having human hair, anything, wigs, extensions, ponytails, it's just gonna be better. So yeah, I really like this one. I want to show you guys the little moment, kind of where it hits on me. It's a fun little moment. You can see. So you guys can kind of make your own judgment of which one you like. But overall, I will say that I really think that ponytail extensions are super fun. And getting a human hair one is going to be a lot more realistic if you actually are going to be wearing it out and wearing it out often. Insert name here one is really a more like affordable option. The insert name here ones range between like $30 and $50, and the human hair one is like almost $80, something like that. I'll make sure to leave in a little bit more info for you guys, but depending on your budget, like I definitely think if you can just splurge a little bit extra for the human hair, you're gonna get a little bit more use out of it for sure. But I'll let you guys kind of tell me which one you like better. I think that they're good just for kind of different moments. So that is all for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you've gotten all the way to this point and haven't subscribed yet, girl, come on, join me. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video as much as I enjoyed making it for you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.